Hello everyone, this is Priya as a data analyst and business analyst intern at Spark Foundation. So today I'm going to share one of the project which has been assigned by the Spark Foundation itself. The title of the project is Global Terrorism, and we have been provided a data set, and these are the number of the ways by which we can process the project. I have chosen Python because that is good for me. So here we have to perform a EDA on it and an exploratory data analysis and to create an insights out of it. Here, as a security and defense analyst, we need to find the hot zone of the terrorism. Okay, so let's start with the project. Here is a data set. So I downloaded it and let me share the Excel sheet. Okay, so these are number of the rows and columns. They are number of the things which are shared here. Other dates, extended resolution, country, region, city, latitude, longitude, everything's are already given here. Accordingly, we need to use all of these to find the insight and to get an insight like which are the hot zone of all terrorism. And these data set is basically for 1970 to 2017 year. Okay, so let's go ahead with this. Here I have created the whole project using the data set and let's start it. The first point what we did is importing of the libraries. So we actually imported the libraries. We will import all the necessary libraries which are actually important for a further process of a project. Next, we read the data. We use a normal reading of the data. We read the head, the information, the shape, the column, and then after we directly jump into cleaning of the data. Here we can see the year, I month, ID. This kind of thing is mentioned, but I do not actually want this, so I renamed it. I renamed it as year, month, day. Okay, so on reading it, it comes up like this. So now it's comfortable for me. Again, I did the data, shape, size. We come up with an observation on describe that the data consists of terrorist activities ranging from 1970 to 2017. We can see here. Okay. Maximum number of people killed in the event were 1570. We can see this maximum killed. Again, the maximum number of people wounded were 8190. We can see here. Maximum number of casualties were 9574. So we come up with this observation. Next, we will do the visualization. So what I did, and there were number of rows and columns. So accordingly, I just did number of a combination, which can give me a good result. So I performed in that way. On visualizing it, I came up with year-wise attacks. So in each year, how many attacks happened. So we can see the maximum attack happened in which year in 2017. We can see there were 16903 incident which actually recorded, and in 1971 there were the fewest one we can see. 1971 it was the fewest one, only 471 incident. Okay, so total casualties combining both killed and wounded individual for each year as follows. We can see here again data. We can see for 2017 the killed in each year, the maximum who were killed. As we can see the terrorist which attack which actually happened for the 2014 year. So again, this were the maximum killed. Wounded in each year. We can see how many wounded for each year. Again, 2014 were were the year. So region-wise attack, distribution of terrorist attack over region. We come up with the region-wise. We use an area plot to find it out. And we can see the maximum year. So this was the total terrorist attack in each region were 1970 to 2071. Hmm. It's this was the year Middle East and the North Africa. So at the end, I provided the full observation. I actually did not share here. At the end, I actually provided all the information. Okay. So casualties and killed in each region, I performed that also. I made a combination of two graphs and then found the maximum over killed in each region. Country-wise attack I did, which were the highest country which were actually attacked was Iraq. Okay. Again, country-wise casualties were Iraq on the top. Killed in each country. We come up with that. Again, the maximum kill was Iraq. Wounded in each country. Iraq top. Again, we made two combinations here. This was city-wise attack what we performed here. City was Baghdad. The maximum number of attack was 7,000 plus. Total casualties killed plus wounded in each city was Baghdad, the city highest. So I actually use all the columns and all the rows to make up my visualization in a more proper way. So we use different kind of combination. At the end, I provided an observation. Okay. Row wise, country wise on top 10, sorting the number of an attacks. So here it is Taliban and Afghanistan with the highest number of attack who actually did. Okay. Again, country with most casualties by the particular group was Taliban and Afghanistan on the highest number. To come up with an observation here, terrorist attack overview. There was year-wise attack, region-wise attack. So as I said in the starting of the project itself, that I provide an observation at the end so that the people who come up with the end visualization come up with the good conclusion that what actually happened and what actually were the top attacks in the top country who were attacked and the top wounded people. So I actually provide a summary insist in below. Attack wise, target type wise statistics, most attacks were 43,511 private citizens and property, and the worldwide attack for 1970 to 2017. Total casualties was 99,35,737, and total people killed were again 4,11,868. Total people wounded were 5,23,869. So this was the end conclusion which I provided. Thank you.